something going on with the carburetor.
The benefits of a welding skid. Well, we know for sure it'll run.
That's what I do. I check.
We know for sure it'll run, so it ain't getting no gas. Something simple.
That's why I check the first thing. It's combustion engine, fire and gas.
Fire and gas. There's two things. The main two things you check them first.
Yeah.
Surely.
I checked the fire. It had fire. I shot stuff in there. It ran, so that tells me it's automatically a fuel-related
issue. Yep.
You're stared at and spoken down to, but these things don't help at all. There's a significant amount of psychology that goes into how we.
And I'm wondering, did it probably get stuff from me sitting up?
That's all it is, sitting up. It might have gummed up.
Yep. And it had that, and then there's this new gas with all this ethanol and all this stuff in it. It even gums up faster than that stuff that back in the day. All them extra preservatives and chemicals.
What happens to the gas nowadays, the ethanol, they build these things around the ethanol. A lot of people, man, they got people fooled. It's gimmicky, really.
It's gimmicky, really, huh?
Because they build this today. They can't build this for
last year
25-year standards.
But it's only on the older stuff that you try to use the ethanol on where you really have the problems.
And the only thing really happens on ethanol, mostly what happens is it's called phase separation. Ethanol ain't nothing but corn liquor.
Okay.
You know that?
Yeah.
It's alcohol.
It's alcohol.
When it evaporates, you get water, condensation. It's called phase separation. You can see it. Your gas will start looking cloudy. That means you got phase separation. You get it out.
Get it out.
That's mostly what you have with the ethanol.
Okay.
But ethanol, it doesn't matter. It can sit in there and do the same thing as old gas does. It gums the carburetor.
They do the same thing as a normal one.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Learn something new, family. The benefits now in the welding skid. You can pull it back, get your stuff worked on. This is actually a generator welder that I actually.
Come off pressure washer somewhere around here.
Wow. Wow. Was that an old one or a newer unit?
Oh, new unit.
That was a newer unit look like that?
Yeah. And see, that's what you get. It starts turning into jelly because you're getting water in there and mixing it up. But it still gums up.
It still gums up regardless.
It's a little worse because now you got water going in there too. You got a water factor.
Yeah.
And water and the gas, it starts corroding stuff. He got lucky on that one.
Hold on.